Hello! To open apps in floating mode on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you need to open any application you want to put on the floating mode, and then you have to go into this all menu applications and press and hold any application, and right here is the button to put it in the floating window. We have to press it, and just like this we have the floating window of the gallery. And now we can press these dots right here and we can select to close the floating window completely. To enable the floating window, we can put this application in the split screen, and also we can put this application in the full screen mode. We can also put this in the full screen mode by pressing and holding this line right here, and you can, like this, by dragging down, put it in the full screen mode, and we can close it by shrinking it like this, and you will feel the vibration under your finger, and you will hear the sound. To hide it, to hide the floating window, you simply have to drag it. You have to take it like this to move it around, and you have to drag it back into the side, and like this we have the floating window hidden. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching.